A clogged toilet is a common household issue that can cause significant inconvenience. The first sign is usually water rising dangerously close to the rim or draining very slowly after flushing. According to plumbing experts, 85% of toilet clogs are caused by excessive toilet paper or non-flushable items. It's crucial to stop flushing immediately to prevent overflow. Check if other drains in the bathroom are slow too, as this might indicate a more serious sewer line problem. Before attempting any fixes, assess how severe the clog is. Carefully flush once and observe if the water rises higher or drains slightly. If it's a minor clog, the water might eventually go down. For severe blockages, the water will rise rapidly. Statistics show that 60% of clogs can be resolved with simple plunging. Never use chemical drain cleaners first, as they can damage pipes. Instead, prepare basic tools like a plunger and rubber gloves for the initial attempt. A plunger is the most effective first-line tool for toilet clogs, with a 75% success rate for minor blockages. Choose a flange plunger specifically designed for toilets, as it creates a better seal than sink plungers. Wear rubber gloves to maintain hygiene. Position the plunger completely over the drain hole at the bottom of the bowl. Ensure there's enough water to cover the plunger's cup for proper suction. This method works by creating pressure to dislodge the obstruction. Effective plunging requires correct technique. First, insert the plunger at an angle to let air escape. Then establish a tight seal over the drain. Use forceful vertical pushes rather than sideways motions. About 15 to 20 strong pumps typically work best. The pressure change helps break up the clog. For stubborn clogs, try adding dish soap to lubricate the pipes. Studies show proper plunging technique increases success rate by 40%. Continue for 30 seconds, then check if water drains. After plunging, carefully flush to test if the clog has cleared. If the water drains normally without rising, congratulations, you've solved 60% of typical toilet clogs. If it's still slow, wait 10 minutes, as sometimes multiple flushes are needed. For persistent clogs, avoid repeated plunging, as it might compact the obstruction deeper. Instead, move to alternative methods. Remember that according to plumbers, plungers work best on organic material and toilet paper, but may struggle with solid objects. For clogs resistant to plunging, try this eco-friendly chemical reaction method. Mix 1 cup baking soda with 2 cups vinegar. This creates a fizzy reaction that can break down organic matter. This solution is 30% effective on grease or soap buildup clogs. The mixture produces carbon dioxide bubbles that help dislodge blockages. Unlike commercial drain cleaners, it's safe for pipes and septic systems. Pour the baking soda first. Then slowly add vinegar to maximize the reaction. This method works best on partial clogs. After pouring the baking soda and vinegar mixture, allow 30 to 60 minutes for the solution to work. You'll see vigorous bubbling initially as the chemical reaction occurs. This process helps break down organic material and can even remove minor pipe buildup. For better results, combine with hot, not boiling water after 30 minutes. The heat helps dissolve greasy clogs. Studies show this method has a 50% success rate when given proper time to work. Be patient and avoid flushing during this waiting period. After the waiting period, flush to check if the clog has cleared. If the water drains normally, the natural method was successful. If not, you may need to repeat the process or try plunging again. Statistics show that 70% of users find either plunging or this natural method effective. For typical household clogs, if the problem persists after 2 attempts, it likely indicates a more serious blockage, requiring professional tools. At this stage, consider using a toilet auger before calling a plumber. For stubborn clogs, a toilet auger or closet auger is 85% effective. This specialized tool reaches deeper than plungers, with a flexible cable that navigates toilet bends. Insert the auger's end into the drain hole and crank the handle to extend the cable. When you feel resistance, continue cranking to break up or retrieve the clog. Professional plumbers report this method works on 90% of non-sewer line clogs. Always retract the cable slowly to avoid splashing. Wear gloves as this process can be messy. Prevention is key to avoiding 80% of toilet clogs. Only flush human waste and toilet paper. Even flushable wipes cause 40% of plumbing calls. Consider placing a small waste bin for other items. Regular maintenance helps too. Monthly baking soda vinegar treatments prevent buildup. Installing a bidet reduces toilet paper use by 75%. For households with frequent clogs, a pressure-assisted toilet reduces clogs by 60%. Remember, proper disposal habits save an average of $150 annually in plumbing costs.